we'll guide you through how to insert PDF into OneNote. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, press the Windows Start button on your computer taskbar and type OneNote into the search box. Open the OneNote application from the search results and wait for it to launch completely. Once the program is open, either access an existing notebook or create a new notebook if you do not already have one available. After opening the notebook, navigate to the section and page where you want to insert the PDF document. When you are on the correct page, move to the top ribbon and select the Insert tab to view the available insertion options. Locate the File Printout option within the Insert menu and click it to begin browsing files stored on your computer. A file selection window will appear, then browse through your folders, find the correct PDF file, and select it. After selecting the file, click the Insert button to start importing the PDF into OneNote. Wait while OneNote processes the document and converts the PDF pages into a printout that can be displayed directly on your note page. Once the import is complete, review the imported PDF pages that appear within the notebook page. Scroll through all of the inserted pages carefully to confirm that every page and all content from the PDF were imported correctly. If necessary, click and drag the PDF printout to reposition it on the page so it fits your preferred layout. You can also resize or rearrange any surrounding notes, images, or other content to keep the page organized and easy to read. After you are satisfied with the placement and appearance of the document, allow OneNote to finish syncing any changes to your notebook. Finally, review the page one last time to ensure the PDF is displayed correctly and all content is visible.